Cinealtas, the Irish word for kindness. Going through difficult times in our lives really brings home to us the importance and value of kindness. A kind word is a light in the dark. Difficult times connect us to the vulnerability inherent in human suffering. We are often surprised by the cinealtas of strangers, the person in the shop or on the end of the phone with a kind word. This helps us feel less alone when we are in times of difficulty. Difficult times teach us to be kind to others too. Cinealtas, it cultivates empathy. Making mistakes is part of being human. Mistakes will be made when we are growing and learning. So we need to practice Cinealtas, to be gentle and compassionate with ourselves in times of struggle. In order to extend kindness to others, we must first extend Cinealtas to the heart of the self.